Hey guys, Gary here. I'm doing a little fishing at the lake, and it's a beautiful day. The sun is out, the birds are singing. Springtime is here. It's officially here, and I'm feeling the change. Change is happening. Change is coming on. Change in my life and change in this season. And I feel good about what's happening this weekend. It's Easter weekend. Thankful to go fishing. Aha. Aha. How about this one? I like it. Hey, caught a little bitty guy. Let's watch him go back home. Check this out. Actually, yeah, let's watch him. Oh, run along now. Well, that was quite something. I've never caught so many fish. Caught about 7 or 8, and let them all go. And apparently they don't communicate very well. They don't tell one another that they are coming out of their environment and going into a wacky world. Thankful to go fishing. Thankful to go fishing.
Thankful to go fishing.
It was calm and peaceful. I hope to get out and go fishing more this spring and summer. That was nice. Okay, I'm gonna sign off. Till next time. You could start living the life that you were given, that God gave to you, and live out your purpose, His purpose, because you are here for a reason. And for me, I'm so thankful I know that. So I want you to consider God's offer. If you're a non-believer, or if you don't know Jesus, I'm sure you've heard of Him, but refresh your mind and have a look again in John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only Son, that whoever shall believe in Him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. And that everlasting life is when this fleshly body goes. Because I got news for you. You have a ticking clock. You're gonna die. I'm gonna die. Your family is gonna pass on. And you could spend an eternity with God or eternally separated from God. And I'd like you to consider God's offer that is all in love. He loves you so much. He wants you to come back home. Read the story of the prodigal son. That's my favorite one. It hits home with me. But thanks for watching. I know this is extended a little bit, but I pray for all of you that you find love and God's peace in your hearts. All right. Happy Easter.